There's another crazy offer going on right now, and you can earn $300 just for signing up for a Chase checking account for a limited time. No, there's no catch, and in this video, I'll be going over everything that you need to know so you can claim your $300 bonus. We'll go over all the easy requirements, how to sign up and receive the $300 bonus step by step, and everything else that you need to know to receive the $300, so make sure you watch this entire video. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Paul and I talk all things money, finance, and investing, so make sure you sit back and hit that thumbs up button. So this Chase $300 checking bonus takes less than 5 minutes of your time to sign up for, and I'm going to be going over everything that you need to know. First off, what is the exact bonus? Chase will pay you $300 in cash if you sign up for a brand new checking account using my referral link down below. This means that Chase will pay you $300 just for opening a checking account with a few minor requirements. So here are the requirements to receive the $300 Chase checking bonus. So the first step that you want to take is click the link in the description and it will take you to the online application page. So once you're on the page, the first requirement is that you open an account online using my link. And the second requirement is making sure that you have a direct deposit totaling $500 or more within 90 days of sign up. Now, how fast will the money hit? Well, it says here that you will receive your money within 15 days, but honestly, I've seen people get it between 1 to 2 days. Once the $300 hits, you can remove all the money from your account. Personally, I would recommend that you wait a few days before doing so. So now let's go over step by step on how you can actually sign up and receive your $300 bonus. So once you're on this page, you're going to click open an account or enter your email address. So click on open an account. Then you're going to be met with this page here. You're going to click on either yes, I sign in now, or no, I'm not a customer. So for now, I'm going to click no, I'm not a customer. Click get started. Then you're going to put in your first name. So I'm just going to put in test. Then you're going to want to put in your birthday. So let's click on here. Let's do that. Click next. Put in your email address. Put in your phone number. Click next. Put in your home address, and then just go through all the steps, and it's really, really simple. Overall, this $300 checking bonus from Chase is a great deal, simply because they're just paying you as long as you sign up for a brand new checking account. There's no catches and no other requirements, and you can always withdraw your money right after you get paid. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Paul, and I talk all things money, finance, and investing. So if you like this type of content, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe for more future content just like this. Your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. And with that, I will catch you in the next video. Take care.